Hi everyone, so there's this nail contest that's going on Instagram, and I'll be doing these nails, which you are to find a nail design on 2 of these IGs and recreate it. So I'm going to be using OPI. I just can't cope with Cabana, and OPI Read My Fortune Cookie. And then for this you'll need just a makeup sponge or any type of sponge. If I can get the red open. There we go. Okay, so then how I do my gradient stamping, I just apply to the makeup sponge. And then I just roll it onto the nail. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do maybe one more time on each of them. And then if you're just missing some spots, just take the red top of the makeup sponge and then just apply it where it's needed. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and let that dry and then clean up some. Okay, so for the white stripe down this side of the nail and then the inside of this nail, I'm just going to use Sinful Colors Snowy White. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to take my Sinful Colors nail art pen, and it's in Time Off. And then I'm just going to create the leopard. Actually, I'm going to use something else. Cleaned off my dotting tool. And then I'm just going to take a hard, and then just apply some of this. Okay, no, I lied again. I'm going to use acrylic paint for this. And I'm just going to use what's in the cap, but I'm going to spray a little bit of water in it so it's not so thick. Alright, so the two middle fingers, this is where I'm going to use the striping. I tend to leave my brushes dirty because I'm too lazy to clean them afterwards, but probably better to do it afterwards so I don't have to do this. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing as use acrylic paint. Okay, so that is complete. So now I'm just going to clean up and I'll show you when I come back. Okay, so I had cleaned up and applied top coat. And down in the description box is where I'll leave the inspiration and the Instagrams to the contest. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching.